Malini from bitsewing.com. Today we are going to make this beautiful earring with paper. This is a very easy to make design. You can easily make it in your home. Since long back I was thinking about making one Indian designed earring. So this is it, and this is depicting the three eyes of Indian god and goddesses, the Trinettra earring. So let's start. To make these earrings, we will need quilling strips of three colors: red, golden yellow and black. We will also need border body round, white glue, a quilling needle, flat nose pliers, 2 fish hooks and 2 jump rings in golden color. If you don't have border body, you can also use this kind of bottle cap for this project. Then we will need one strip from each color, red, yellow and black, and we need to join them with glue like this. Use a small amount of glue so that your project is neat and clean. Like this you have to join. After joining the strip, your strip will look like this. It will be really long because it is 3 strips. Now with the help of border body circle E, I have marked here A, B, C, D, E. So I am taking the E circle. I will roll this strip, this long strip, to a big circle. You can also use your bottle cap to get a circle like this if you don't have the border body. So you will roll the whole strip like this. Now my rolling is almost completed. I will secure the last portion with a small amount of glue. Now our circle is ready. So you need to pinch this circle from 2 sides. It will be like this. Look at my fingers. It will be like this. You are pinching the circle from 2 sides and it will form one eye shape. Our eye is ready. Now to make the pupil, I will join 1.5 black strip with the help of glue, and then I will roll them into a tight coil. I am joining the 1.5 strip. Now I will roll them into a tight coil with the help of quilling needle. Here I am rolling it into a tight coil. Now our rolling is completed. I will secure the end with a little bit of glue like this, and I will release the coil from the needle and I will smooth the surface like this. Now add a small amount of glue inside the eye shape to join the pupil with it. I have taken the glue. Now I am attaching the pupil with the eye shape, and our one eye is completed. I have made 2 other eyes. Total 3 eyes are required for this Trinetra earring, and I will join them in this fashion with glue. So you apply the glue at the tip and at the side of the eye. Here also you apply some glue. Now arrange them like this. So our Trinetra earring is ready now. You can see this is our earring, how beautiful it is. Now I will add jump ring with this earring. Open the jump ring and attach it to the earring like this. The jump ring is attached, so I will attach the fish hook and I will close the mouth of the jump ring with the help of the flat nose pliers. This step is a little bit tricky. Here is a small tip for my viewers. You should give ample time between steps to dry the earring properly. Here is our one earring ready. I have made another earring. These are very beautiful Trinetra earrings ready for you. Thanks. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel.